Today we are presented with another problem we have to solve. We are given that a times b is 1 and a plus b is 3. And what we are trying to find out is that what a to the 5th power plus b to the 5th power is. Now the first thing we think of is to reduce the powers. So we can write an equation and reduce the powers at the same time for a plus b, like so. It's going to be a squared plus b squared times a to the 3rd plus b to the 3rd. And what this is, it's just a to the 5th power plus a squared times b to the 3rd plus b squared times a to the 3rd plus b to the 5th power. And we have the 5th powers here. But we also notice something going on with the middle. This. So let's just take this out here. The middle is a squared times b to the 3rd plus a to the 3rd times b squared. So we can actually factor out something, I guess. They both have a multiple of a squared times b squared, so we can take that out. A squared times b squared. And in the middle, it's just going to be b plus a. And since we know that a times b is 1, 1 squared is also going to be 1. So this is 1. And we are also given that b plus a is 3. So, and we have our 5 powers, so we can rewrite the equation right here. A to the 5th plus b to the 5th is equal to a squared plus b squared times a to the 3rd plus b to the 3rd. And now we're subtracting the middle, and we just found out that the middle is 3. So we subtract 3. Now the next step is to find out what a squared plus b squared is and what a to the 3rd plus b to the 3rd is. This one is pretty easy. We can use basically the same process. So we set a squared plus b squared equal to a plus b squared. And since we know that a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, we're subtracting a 2ab. And we already know what ab is up here. This is just 2 times 1, or 2. And we also know what a plus b is. So we can write it down here. A squared plus b squared is equal to a plus b, that's just 3. So 3 squared, which is 9, minus 2. So therefore, a squared plus b squared is 7. So we have our first equation that we need. Now we just need to do the same thing for the other square. So we can use the same strategy that we used to figure out what a squared plus b squared was into here. And we can find out, we can get an a to the 3rd plus b to the 3rd in this equation. A plus b to the 3rd power. That's going to be a to the 3rd plus 3ab squared plus 3ba squared plus b to the 3rd. Now we also notice that this has something special. So we can we can rewrite it down here. A plus b to the 3rd is equal to a to the 3rd plus b to the 3rd. They both have a factor of 3ab, so we can write that 3ab. The inside is going to be b plus a. So we know that b plus a is 3, as given up there. And ab is 1. So 3 times 1, that's just going to be 3. So we can move this to the other side of the equation. So now we have a to the third plus b to the third is equal to a plus b to the third minus 3 times 3. So this is going to be equal to, since they gave us what a plus b is, which is 3, 3 to the third is just 27. And 3 times 3 is 9. So 27 minus 9 is 18. So a to the third plus b to the third is 18. Now we can plug these values in. A to the fifth plus b to the fifth is equal to 7 times 18 minus 3. So the answer is going to be 123.